Etsy is a company that strives to promote their mission of how they can uplift local communities through their spirit of craft. Etsy's Brooklyn workplace headquarters epitomizes holistic, values-driven design. The space is uniquely Etsy, authentically embodying a personality and a spirit born from its Brooklyn roots. This project has become a Gensler benchmark for impactful community citizenship that we share with other clients as an example for how they too can demonstrate their company's commitment to the environment and their people through the power of design. For Etsy, it has become a means to continue to attract employees who share their values, and a means to challenge both employees, makers, and large manufacturers alike to uphold and live those same ideals on a daily basis.
Rather than building a brand new space or retrofitting a generic tenant space in a corporate building, Etsy chose a 200,000 square foot early 20th century former printing press building in Dumbo, Brooklyn. The selection of this site aligns with their values of reviving a former space used for making and allowed them to stay in the community where they had established their roots.
With Etsy's unwavering commitment to the well-being of their employees, to the success of their maker community, and to reduce their environmental footprint on the planet, we knew that the workplace would need to match their ambitions. Additionally, we had to create an active office that enhances employee well-being, all while pushing the boundaries of the project's impact on their various communities, and of course the larger environment as a whole. Through an intensive pre-design process, Etsy decided ILFI's Living Building Challenge matched their ambition for the project. LBC's aspirational approach to materials, health, equity, beauty, and water fit perfectly with their aspirations for including an unprecedented volume of local makers for furnitures, fixtures, and equipment, incorporation of equitable programming of their space, integration of biophilic design elements, all the way to the engineering of efficient water and energy systems, and the specification and advocacy for healthy materials, and well beyond.
Even in a dense urban setting, the project was designed to facilitate a green embrace for all employees and visitors alike. New access and greenery was introduced on 3 roof terraces, each of which is inspired by distinct natural and seasonal plant communities. A meadow on the 9th floor roof deck, a woodland floor on the north 5th floor roof terrace, and a vineland on the south 5th floor roof terrace. We also incorporated greenscaping throughout the workplace with planters, custom-designed green divider space partitions, and green walls, which all offer a green vantage to every seated position.
Etsy's headquarters is one of the largest Living Building Challenge PETAL certified projects in the world. To achieve the LBC Materials PETAL certification, all materials were vetted to avoid harmful or toxic chemicals. This meant that the project team effectively had to rewrite the specifications book for the more than 1,500 items used on the project. Materials and finishes were screened to understand their health impact in compliance with the LBC Red List and California Department of Public Health in order to eliminate harmful material ingredients and VOC emissions. Air quality testing was performed upon move-in and 5 months afterwards to confirm that the workplace environment was healthy for all employees.
One of the main design elements that also largely contributed to project cost savings was our celebration of the existing building and the avoidance of using new materials wherever possible. The cost savings totaled out to 58% below market rate and resulted in a unique industrial aesthetic through the numerous salvage features, including the preservation of the original floor markings, industrial sliding metal doors, and recycled wood from the water tower, as well as the exposed ceilings, floors, and perimeter walls. Etsy and the design team enlisted local artisans to design more than 750 maker pieces, including 600 handmade desks, truly making the new Etsy headquarters a community-built project. This labor-intensive process involved hosting workshops to educate local makers on the Living Building Challenge restrictions and standards.
Etsy's Brooklyn headquarters continues to be an important project with relevance to our entire industry. It fully demonstrates authenticity and values alignment at every scale, from the largest building materials specifications down to the smallest details of millwork joinery. This headquarters was an incredible opportunity and great partnership to set a new standard for sustainable construction and to create a truly positively impactful design for makers across all industries, the Brooklyn community, and the future of all technology workplaces.